Man, it's hot out here. I could really go for some ice cold
Freezy
Pups.
Pups. There's just one problem.
What?
There's only one Freezy Pup left.
No! Oh! Oh, hey, you want a rock, paper, scissors for it?
Yes, let's.
1, 2, 3, paper!
Wait a minute. This isn't going to work. We can only do paper.
Oh, right. Oh, let's race for it.
You want to race me?
Yeah, on 3. 1, 2. No!
Hey, not fair! Scoundrel! Freezy Pups, delicious frozen treats for dogs. All organic, so good.
Ooh, yum.
Do you even care that you've hurt my feelings?
It's so good.
I should have known better.
Oh, I love Freezy Pups. Sorry, bud.
Available on sweet potato and maple, white cheddar cheese, chicken soup, and juicy apple. Just mix, pour, freeze, and serve. It's that easy. They're the coolest treats around.